Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to adjust timing of voiceover with scenes on Murf AI. So, let's synchronize the rhythm of your video with the grace of your voiceover in just a few clicks using Murf AI. Fine-tune your timing. Achieve a seamless blend of audio and visuals by adjusting the timing of your voiceover to match the pace of your video. Perfect pauses and transition. Enhance the viewing experience by strategically placing pauses and adjusting the speed of speech where needed, effortlessly adding an extra layer of impact. If your video boasts multiple scenes or clips, ensure each voiceover aligns with the corresponding visuals for a polished outcome. And lo and behold, with Murf AI, synchronizing voiceovers and scenes is both effortless and rewarding. Craft videos that captivate and resonate with precision. Stay tuned for more insider tips on refining your creative craft with Murf AI. Thank you for watching, and until next time.